If you want to change icons color on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, what you can do is open settings. Then in the settings, we need to scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and style. Then choose color palette. Here we need to enable this option. And then we need to also enable apply palette to app icons. Then we can choose colors. So here we can use one of the wallpaper colors. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. We can also switch to basic colors as well. And we have some more options here. So let's say I'm gonna choose actually this green one, and we're gonna apply. And after that, once we go back to the home screen, you should see that app icons are switched and they have colors now. Unfortunately, not every app is supported. So some apps will stand out with their normal colors, but pretty much almost every single app that is at least pre-installed on the device is compatible. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!